Everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to do a little haul. I've been wanting these for a few months now and they went on sale last week for 12 days of December, and it's the Spritz. And I thought, the container was on sale too, and it holds 12 of them. I think there's, I don't know how many colors there's out by up to now, but the difference with those is with the regular spray, the distress sprays, the whole thing is colored. This, it's like basically like water, but then like the micas or whatever are colored. So when you spritz it on, it just makes basically, how we do like the tapping with the colors. Well, I'm hoping that I'll be able to spray and do that. How about actually if we try it? So I ordered a few because, like I said, everything was on sale. Like every day they had something different on sale. So let me tell you which colors I got. I got Hickory Smoke. I got Saltwater Taffy. I got Peeled Paint. I got Worn Lipstick. I got Antique Linen. As you can tell there, that's all water, and then the color is right there. Let's see what it says in there. The pigment. Okay, so it's not micas, but the pigment is suspended in liquid. I don't know if it's water. I just called it water, but in the liquid. And then when it dries, all you see is the pigment. I can't wait. See how clear? I don't know if you can tell, but how clear that is. Love it. This is Rustic Wilderness. Well, I think I'm going to love it. Lumberjack Plaid. Walnut Stain. I got more than will fit in there, so I'll have to get another one of those. Seedless Preserve. I was like, I should have maybe bought two of those, but it's okay. Faded Jeans. Uncharted Mariner. Villainous Potion. What I tried to do was at least kind of get one in, each color. Frayed Burlap. Fossilized Amber. I don't know if I got orange, though. Oh. Vintage Photo. And Tattered Rose. I don't think I got an orange. Oh, well. Okay, so let's try it with, what is this? Worn Lipstick. So we'll open it. We're going to shake it. I might have to turn off the recording to give it a good shake. It's stuck on me. I don't know if there's a little ball in there or not. Or just it eventually just gets it all. Do any of you bought any of these, and how do you like them? I'm quite excited about them. I'm going to get maybe a recipe card. I'm probably going to make a mess, but it's okay. I have pretty much all the mica. There's only a little bit there, or not the mica, but the pigment. Only a little bit left there. Like the water is pretty colored, or the liquid is pretty colored. Okay. So I want to spray that now, and then I'll show you the rest, and then we'll look at it. Let me see. Okay. We'll just do like that, and you have to make sure, like any one of those, just make sure to, I guess this one is even more prone to clogging, so make sure to clean it. Oh, those are pretty. Okay, so the next thing I got, everything I got was on sale. So the Distress Crayons in Let me see. I didn't have these, and so they're newer colors. I don't even know if I have like the ink pads for those, but that's okay. Lumberjack Plaid. I don't know if I have that or not. I don't think so. Lost Shadow and Scorched Timber. I definitely don't have the ink pads for all of those, but it's okay. Next, I'm, working really hard on my December daily, and I was like, oh, I wish I could have just a little bit of like Christmas stuff. So I got the Odds and Ends by Doodlebug Designs from Tinsel Time collection. And look how many pieces, 187 pieces. So that's going to be fun. I can make a few layouts just using those and then just using the pattern papers that I have, right? I love that. Love, love, love that. So a ton of pieces. Then I got the Snow Pine Lodge from Simple Stories. Again, this was on sale. I'll show you the stickers. Aren't those just adorable? Adorable. Let me see. Yeah, the pattern papers are really nice. Let's just go through them really quickly, It's not the same looking at it through a through a plastic. It's not the same. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that too. Oh, this is pretty. I almost want to cut that out like separately. Oh, that's pretty too. Skis. That's pretty. It looks like a knitted sweater. That's cute. Little trees. Cute, cute. Oh, I love this. I'm definitely just going to cut those apart, right? Love that. I don't know if there's 2 of each in this collection or what. Love that side. We're not skiers, so we won't be using I won't be using the skiing one, but it's okay. Ski later. I think I might have pictures though of when the kids were young and they had gone a few times. I love these tags. Love these. Ice rink. Definitely can use that. And this is pretty. Oh, I love this. So there's only 1 of each. There's just a lot of cards. And I should know that about Simple Stories. Oh, I love this. Love, love, love that. Yep, yep, yep. Love that. That's pretty. That I can use in my December daily, right? It's already cut up for me. Yay. Won't be using the other side. I'll be using these. Okay, awesome. And here are the stickers. Now, the last thing I got is another collection. The collections were, like, everything was 15% off. It was different days. So I just got different things, different days. And then I just went once and picked it up. So this one is Echo Park. Oh, I didn't even look at the title of this, but Chilling with My Snowmies. I love that. Oh, that's cute. Cute, cute, cute. I love that too. I'll just put everything there and I'll just pick everything up after. Again, cards for... Oh, but this is so pretty. Maybe there's some cards I won't like. And then I can just use some of that pattern paper too. That's gorgeous. Okay, the snowflakes. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, I like the next one coming. And a plaid. Oh, this is so pretty. I can either cut them up or use pieces. This is pretty too. Oh, these are nice. I'm going to be making page kits with this for sure this week. Ooh, this pretty. And then the snow mitts. Oh, that's pretty too. So I'll probably just use those 2 collections or 1 collection and make 3 page kits. And then probably next week we'll put them together. This is pretty too, but It's the wrong size, but I can just add something to the side and make it 4x6. Oh, this is cute. Pretty. Love that. Oh, these are cute. Definitely going to be cutting these out. Love this. Again, 4x6 cards. Oh, I love that. I love that. And I know exactly how I'm going to use it. Oh, this is cute. All bundled up. And then a pair of skates. And green. And now the stickers. Cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, so that is my haul. I forgot to show you what it looks like after it dries. So I really like that. If you just hold down just halfway, then it makes like bigger splashes. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.